Hi everyone, welcome to the sixth episode of CKES channel. At CKES, we provide solutions and quality products for your agricultural needs. Today, we'll discuss about what farmers fear most, and that will be none other than the pests and insects. This is because insects and pests multiply really fast, and they do eat the crops as well as spreading diseases. When diseases spread, farmers will have to throw away tons of crops, and that will be a great loss. And when we use agrochemicals to control the insects, it will become a vicious cycle because the agrochemicals that kill the insects will indeed stay on the crop as well as penetrate into the land, and in return it harms the human health as well as the soil. So in order to stop this vicious cycle, we at CKES would like to introduce you to a solution, and that will be the insect mesh. The insect mesh has many functions. For example, it is able to keep out bad insects, stop the spreading of diseases in the greenhouse, and stop the breeding of insects and pests. Secondly, it is able to keep beneficial insects inside the greenhouse, like the bees and the ladybugs, as these insects are important for pollination. Thirdly, the insect mesh improves the ventilation of the greenhouse, and last but not least, save costs from using agrochemicals. Using the insect mesh has indeed helped farmers in the following areas. Number one, crops are healthy, natural, and free of agrochemicals. And number two, it reduced the cost in pest control, as our insect mesh can be used for an extended period of time and has a warranty of 3 years. However, this depends on the weather and also on how we use it. CKES supplies insect mesh with a wide variety of mesh size. The more common ones are number 16, 20, 24, 32, 40, and 50 mesh. While the lengths we cater for are 1.2 meters, 2.5 meters, 3 meters, and 3.7 meters. And majority of our customers uses the 3-meter width. The mesh size of 16, 20, 24, and 32 are suitable for planting flowers, leafy vegetables, and also medicinal marijuana plants. And the mesh 40 and 50 are suitable for planting fruits like tomatoes, figs, and lemon, as they can keep out the aphids, the thrips, and also fruit flies as well as other insects. I hope the insect mesh is able to solve the farming problems that we are facing right now. The price of our insect mesh starts from 2,000 baht per roll. If you are interested and need further information, please get in touch with us with the ways available printed as above and also below. And thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please click like and subscribe as a gesture of support. See you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.